cooks are noted for their culinary expertise. They are noted for their creativity in food. And what they've done is they brought that expertise, that creativity here to the United States, and they applied that creativity to some American classic foods.
We all met at a diner in Northeast Philadelphia. One of the partners, his father owns it, so that's kind of like where we all met.
When I started to work in one of the partners' dad's restaurant, first he offered me to be a busboy, actually. And then I say I can be able to cook better food than all of the cooks. And then I cook something for him, and then he likes it. He gave me 2 days schedule and then 3. In one point, I was working whole year, 7 days a week.
We're young, we're all young guys, so we kind of like understand the market, we understand like the new generation. Mac and cheese heaven. What millennial doesn't like mac and cheese, right? What this does is you get like 2 fried mac and cheese buns with more mac and cheese on top. You just can't go wrong with that. It's cheesy goodness right there.
This is the American dream from 20s and 30s and 40s and 50s. These are young, creative people who know food.
I feel we will be successful here because of the peoples too. It's not like any other places around United States. Philadelphia is totally different.
There's an energy here at Oh Brother because of our uniqueness, because of our creativity, and it all stems from the partners.